Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn on VPN in the Opera GX web browser on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. In the first step, launch Opera GX on your PC or laptop. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply access your browser settings by clicking on that gear icon here on the left sidebar. And after that, select Features here on the left side, and there you go, you will see this option here, VPN. So you may switch it on or enable it simply here to the right, and that is going to pop up this symbol or icon in the top left corner here next to the URL VPN. And if you click on that icon, you will see that browsing through the internet now through Opera GX is protected via VPN. You may also make some adjustments here in that menu. For example, enable or disable the feature connect to VPN when starting a browser, or enable, for example, default search engines by bypassing VPN. So that's totally up to you guys which of these features and options you turn on or turn off here to the right. That's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.